What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at what I picked up this week in my weekly tech pickups. This would be from April, let's see, 21st through April 28th. Now I was traveling for a little bit there, so I'm skipping a week of April 21st weekly tech. So some of this may have come in the previous week, and I do try to regulate what I've got coming in if I am traveling and out of town. So a little lighter than normal, so this is more of a 2-week pickup. Anyway, let's jump right in, take a look. A lot of these will have feature videos coming on them very shortly, especially a couple of these that look completely interesting and cool. So let's start out with a new case from Speck. This is the new 12.9 iPad Pro 2018 edition or 3rd edition for the 12.9 inch. They also make them for the 11 inch as well. And it says now compatible with new Apple Pencil. Again, the 2018 edition, 6 feet drop tested, so it's going to add a lot of protection to your iPad, designed for impact. And this is the Presidio Pro Folio. So they've kind of modified the previous version of this to be designed to work with the new iPads from 2018. More on that case to come. Now, while we're also on cases for iPads, I am very excited to try out this new Slim Folio Pro from Logitech. This is a keyboard case, basically, for the new 12.9 inch 3rd generation, as you can see. Also available for the 11 inch, but since we have a 12.9 inch to demo, that's what we're going to do. Very nice keyboard case, getting huge ratings and reviews out there, so I'm very excited to try this out. Backlit keys and all. So another feature video coming on that guy. Then we've got, what's in the box? What's in the box? We've got a new wallet to review, and I'm actually very excited to try this one out because it's kind of a unique design. If I can get the box open. This one has, it's neat because it has a built-in notebook and pen, so you can keep everything in one design. So you're going to have a nice wallet where you've got some cards, you can put in some cash, and then you got a little pop where you can pull up more cards from the inside, and then also you can keep your notebook in this guy and a pen slot all in one cool little setup. And here's a little notebook. They supply quite a few, 2 of them in here it looks like. So you got a little thing you can take notes with, and a little pin also that comes with, and it stows in the little wallet. There's the pin. Very nice. So you've got everything in one design, and I am pretty excited to test this out, review it, and try it out. And you're asking, like, who is that from? That's a good question. Who is this from? It is from Inscribe wallets. So there you go. So definitely going to check out this nice wallet from Inscribe. And there's a little designed by, and I can't read it. So future video coming for that guy. Very cool stuff. Maybe this was backwards because there's a little pull tab. Okay. Next up, this company reached out to me, Victure, said, hey, how would you like to review our MP3 player? And I'm like, okay, well, I haven't seen an MP3 player for a while, so let's check it out. So we just got this. We will be doing a review on this and see how it works. This is the M5X from Victure, so I'm very excited to give that a whirl and check it out with you guys. Then this guy I'm real excited for. Actually bought this. This is the Slate. This is the GL.AR750. This was an Innovation Awards winner at the CES 2019, and this is from the, like, is it GL? I'm trying to think of the company. GL.iNet.com. This guy, we've looked at multifunctional gear before. This guy is definitely multifunctional, and this has some features that no other device I've found out on the market has. And we're going to deep dive into this in a couple videos because this thing is a game changer when it comes to mobile networking. You know, we've looked at several devices like the RAVPower File Hub. This kicks it up a notch. It's got OpenWrt on it, DDWrt. Some people know it as DDWrt. OpenWrt as the OS, which means this is open source, and a very powerful little travel router, repeater. It's got built-in services, all sorts of stuff. We're definitely deep diving into that guy and giving it a check out because that thing, cool stuff. Then Kingston kicked in a few things. We're going to be doing some deep dives into the, this guy, the DJI Pocket Osmo. So we've got some memory for this guy. High endurance. This is space made for these kind of things. For dash cams, for drones, for vlogging cameras like the DJI Osmo Pocket. All that stuff. This is 128 gig and 64 gig. High endurance. This is for like webcams, like I said, dash cams, all that kind of stuff. So this made to take a beating. Has lots of rights. Constantly recording things, you know, like I said, webcams, security cams, all that kind of stuff. So Kingston sent those over for us to check out, and we will be checking them out in our Pocket Osmo line. We are going to do some very cool videos with the DJI Pocket Osmo coming very, very soon. Alright guys, that's my weekly tech pickups. I will have a link in the show notes for all of this stuff so you can check it out ahead of time before the feature video drops. And if you're interested in getting ahead of me and purchasing it for yourself, feel free to do so. If you just want to do some research and look up and then, you know, fact check me, feel free. So anyway, again, links are all this in the show notes. If you're interested, drop a look. Also, if you like the video and the series, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your time. You know, you could spend it many different other ways, but you spend it here watching my weekly tech pickups, and it's appreciated. Thanks again guys, have a good one. Bye bye.